world's best beef jerky.
He said it, not me. Let's make it. First, we need to set up the Pit Boss. The new Pit Boss grill has arrived, and it's going to require a lot more assembly than we originally anticipated. It works best with 2 people, so what I did while he's down here assembling the base, what I was doing was putting all of the screws together with the washers so he could just grab and go, because each screw requires a locking washer and a regular washer. He has to take 2 legs off because this piece goes into this screw and that screw, and these 2 don't have that. So pay attention to make sure that both of the ones with the holes are on one long side.
2 more cents. I like the threads on these screws. They go in real nice in where they should go. So weird. All right, we're done. No, we're not.
Pay attention to the pictures because this is the front. It has 2 holes. Now we have to take all 12 screws out of this and flip it around because we put it on backwards. We did everything else right, so let's move on to the actual cooking mechanism. You do have to test this before you put pellets in it. We verified that the auger was spinning and that there was warm air coming out of here. Now we have to fill this with pellets. Make sure you prime your auger before you use this. It's in the instructions. This is important. Turn it on. Hold the prime button. This takes longer than you would expect, so just be patient. Then go ahead and do the ceremonial seasoning where you crank up the heat and let it just cook away for about 45 minutes with nothing on it. To make what my husband called the best beef jerky he's ever had, I got some sirloin strips and seasoned them with salt, pepper, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. Then we cooked it low and slow on 225 for about 2.5 hours. You can see the pellets have begun to move through the grill. These are the pellets that we're using for this recipe, and probably for every recipe in the future. Here's what they looked like when they were done. And they were still very tender and not really jerky-like, but they were delicious.